Welcome back to Blind Morris, and today we're off to South Cerney Airfield to the Gloucestershire Extravaganza. Loads of cars, fun fair, loads of attractions, loads of food, loads of stalls, loads of tool stalls, just loads of stuff.
Free bus.
Free bus goes around the site, lots to look at, busy all day. It's all weekend, you can camp there. It's a great day out. So if you're in the area within about a good hour, 2 hours, it's worth a drive down and spend the day there. So we're going to go off there, pitch up with the Gloucester MMOC and whoever else is there, have a look at some cars, have a look at all the old steam engines and stationary engines and military vehicles and chainsawing, and go around on a vintage bus. And we're just going to have a great day. Good food, great day, meet some good friends, and we'll do a video afterwards so you can see what it's like, and maybe you could join us there next year.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you